Welcome to the D and the Q experience. I'm solo today, guys. I'm solo. And I am in my beautiful home country of the Turks and Cacios Islands with my... Oh, Tasha! Why did you bend over as soon as I pointed at you? I gotta censor that part out. I am here with my cousin, best friend. Hey guys. We've been here for a while, a day. So I'm just gonna go ahead and insert our travel to get here. Watch. Okay guys, that was our traveling to get here. So it is day 2 of our trip. We are leaving in about 2 days. 3 days we'll be leaving, but later on today we're gonna get our COVID testing so we can depart on Monday. And then my cousin is gonna take us around to see what we can see and do what we can do. Like I said, this is my hometown. My mother is from here, so we are not here in the Turks and Caicos as a tourist or on vacation. We are here to actually see family. But if you guys do want to stay tuned and experience Turks and Caicos with us, keep on watching. And if you want to experience it as a local and not a tourist, keep on watching. Oh, yeah, 4. We're not going to shake you.
No, don't tell them all leave. I want to take a picture with the donkey. Ask Kama how you take a picture with the donkey. I know y'all be, how y'all doing?
These ain't tourist donkeys. Attitude.
Taking video.
Yeah.
Take a picture with you. Hey, we saw. How you talk to a donkey?
I don't know. Why? Bye, donkeys. Scary. You don't want to buy your clothes? Your sister like do it. Mm-hmm. She done pulled us up to some horse. Hi, horsey. Hi, horsey. They just tie him in a random tree. Is he eating dirt? He eat.
Hold his neck. Hold his rope so yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
getting dropped off in strange places.
Stranger things.
Not really. Hello. Let's see what we can see. Big Taurus. Currently at Jack Shack behind me. We're the only ones on the beach. Tasha wanted to come down and see how the beach looking. Go ahead. Baywatch. Baywatch. We are on drink number 3. Cheers.
Number 3.
Clink, 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 clink. Are you doing
We're
cheers?
fine.
Clink, 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 clink.
We're fine.
We can drive home.
But we don't have to drive.
So, right. So,
It doesn't matter.
maybe get a 4th drink. But we can't because not our tab.
Oh!
Go!
I got stuck in the sand. I'm okay.
Alright, we're gonna stroke.
Stroke?
We're gonna do a photo shoot.
Yeah.
Okay, go talk
Dark.
and go home. Alright, wait. So we got these 3rd drinks, but
It's so dark.
we chugging.
You shouldn't have did it.
We shouldn't have did it, but we're gonna chug it. Okay, ready? I got more than you. Okay, ready, set, go.
But I wasn't recording. I wasn't recording.
She finished it. It's dark. It's dark. Why is it so dark? Oh my gosh. I'm still recording.
I finished.
You finished? Ah, look where I'm at.
She didn't drink nothing. She didn't drink nothing. It's terrible. Here you go. Go ahead.
All of it on my shirt. I'm done. I'm done. All right, we're gonna head back to the bar. Can't even see it.
Right.
Our ride is supposed to show up. I just burped. Our ride is supposed to show up to join us, but she's in here yet. We ready to go. We got stuff to do. I feel bad. We're gonna go in our ride somewhere. Party done. Coming out when you're came. You know, I want to give you some sweet love. Sweet love. On the night shift, Tasha was on the night shift. Oh, hold me tight. Keep it right.
Because he was still here. I opened the door and he started running.
So why you running?
Because his full dog is...
Horses.
Whatever. Oh, that's a pretty one. He healthy.
Vlog is going, but it's after church on a Sunday afternoon, and we are at the bar beach. Bar beach. The bar beach.
What's a bar beach?
Not a like go.
Bar beach.
The bar?
Yeah.
The bar beach.
And then the other one, she was like, so you gonna pick me up or what? So anything I'm both gotta get used to this thing, girl.
Yo, that's my Tasha, this is the,
You ain't talk to that shoe, man.
when you don't have no white sanding stand like that. You need to hey, relax yourself. Go get yourself another drink. Relax yourself. Okay. Why are you entertaining? Why are you entertaining Tasha? This is the big shot. This is the island life. Leave that sand on your legs until you get home and shower. Ain't no damn big shower here. It's only gonna get you. Why you let it stop?
Live that way. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. I like curry goat. Feel like I'm in Jamaica for real. No. Let's stay right here.
You see that white damn thing? That's right here.
That's salt?
Yeah, that's how they sold us to.
Oh.
You gotta walk light. Sorry. To the right, we have the creek. That's where we park all our boats. Right?
For the boats, hurricane season or any bad weather, they park it in the creek. So you see a lot of boats here. That is the creek.
So what happens in the bad weather? It just say that?
They park it
The
in
creek
the
is
creek.
always calm. Once you're
Always
inside, it's
calm,
calm.
yeah. Okay.
So to get inside may be difficult, but once you're inside, it's calm.
That's
Like,
not
and the people get out?
Yeah, people get up.
Because there's a back.
Cut us out, you can actually walk all the way out.
Ooh.
Out there. All the way. But tide coming in right now, so you can walk all the way out there. You can pick house, you can pick wheels.
Oh, you can put cows.
Yeah.